Hey everybody, this is Cooking with TK. Today we're going to make some sweet potato pies and we are going to make some candy yams, and this is Thanksgiving 2023. First I am going to mash my sweet potatoes down from where I have baked them and I peeled them. Yes, I baked my sweet potatoes for my sweet potato pie. As you can see, I'm using my mixer to break it down, and the strings will attach to the mixer so you can pull the strings off like that. Add in your brown sugar. Our measurements will be listed in the description box below for your sweet potato pie. Okay, adding in some flour. I have 1/4 cup of self-rising flour. Gonna add in 1/2 stick of unsalted butter. Add in 2 eggs. That's 1. 2 eggs. I am adding in a tablespoon of vanilla, a pinch of nutmeg, just a pinch, that's it, and a teaspoon of cinnamon. Let's mix this together. Here is my pie crust. I have 2 deep dish pie crusts, and so that my edges do not burn on my sweet potato pies, I put aluminum foil around to cover it so that it does not burn. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put my filling into my pie crust and get these in the oven and get them baking. Now let's prep our candy yams. Well, I'm about to prep my candy yams, y'all. So I am using a baked sweet potato. Yes, I'm using 2 baked sweet potatoes. They're very big, so it's enough for me and my family. It's only 4 of us, okay? So we are going to cut, well, y'all follow along with me if you want to for this recipe. You can peel it with your fingers. I'm just using a small paring knife. As you guys can see how easy and simple it is to get the coating off of your sweet potato. You know, to peel your potato, the outside. When you boil them, you boil all that sweetness and goodness and juice out of your yams. So you don't want to do that. And after we get these sweet potatoes peeled nice and pretty, like you see I'm doing here, and remember there are 2 layers of skins on the sweet potato. So if you see something under there with a little color, take that off too, because that's the 2nd layer of skin on the sweet potato. So now let's go ahead and let's cut these sweet potatoes up, okay? And I am going to slice them 1/2 inch thick, okay? You don't want them too thin, and you definitely don't want them too thick. These are cooked where you can slide a knife through them, but they are not completely cooked to where they will get mushy once we get ready to cook them in the oven in our pan. And you can also go ahead and do this on the stove top if you like, with the same ingredients that you use when you bake them in the oven. Today I'm going to bake them in the oven because I have a lot to do, and this is for tomorrow. So today is Wednesday, tomorrow is Thursday, but there are just certain things that you can get out the way today. And that's what I did. I made my sweet potato pies, I made my candy yams, I made my deviled eggs, and I have made my potato salad, y'all. Yes, I have. Okay, so now let's go ahead, slice your sweet potatoes like I'm doing here. Now I am going to place the slices into my baking dish because I am going to bake this in the oven. So I'm just gonna layer it like you see I'm doing here. Voila, we have them layered. Now it's time to add that flavor on flavor on flavor. That's right, we're adding some brown sugar. I'm using about a cup of brown sugar, and I am also going to use a cup of white sugar as well. May need a little more, it just depends on how many sweet potatoes you decide to cut up, okay? And I am going to coat this in this white sugar. Okay, so now I'm gonna add me some cinnamon. And I am going to add in a little bit of nutmeg, like so. And that's it. Baby, just a pinch. A capful of vanilla. Well, 2 capfuls. So they're gonna be about 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Okay, everybody, so these are my candy yams. I am about to cover them with foil and place them in the oven until they are done. This may take about 20 minutes, 30 minutes, however long it takes. I'll let you guys know once the candy yams. So my sweet potato pies are done, and they look beautiful. Y'all see that? So beautiful. I'm gonna let them sit. I'm gonna let the sweet potato pies sit. Okay, so I took the foil off of my candy yams, and this is after about 45 minutes, maybe. Around about 45 minutes, could have been. I'm gonna let these cook for about 20 more minutes without the foil on them. And let me tell y'all, these are gonna be really, really good. And here we have it. My candy yams are done, y'all. I tasted it. It is so delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed me watching me make my candy yams and my sweet potato pies. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave lots of comments down below. Peace. Have a beautiful and blessed day.